Let's face it, the past few years have just been weird for e-commerce. There have been huge surges in online shopping with the pandemic, then massive supply chain issues, inflation, and a looming recession. Now everything is open again and people are craving personal connection and in-store shopping. So what's next, and how is e-commerce going to change with this ever-changing economy? Let's go over 3 ways e-commerce will be different in 2023 and how you can adapt to stay profitable. First off, let me introduce you to the price shopper. With prices rising due to inflation, consumers are cutting back on spending and also not staying loyal to their go-to brands. They are looking for deals or ways to save money like free shipping and free returns. But you and I both know that those things just dip into your already shrinking profit margin. Keeping a customer's loyalty is going to be more important now than ever before. I love doing loyalty programs on my Shopify stores and rewarding customers for coming back and ordering from you again and again. However, offering lots of discounts may not be the right fit for you. I recommend focusing on timing your discounts wisely. That means getting rid of that 10% off pop-up on your site for your first order, and instead offer the 10% discount on their second order, and include that in your follow-up email sequence. To get their first order then, just focus on value and how you can showcase on your site that your products will either solve their problems, help them achieve their dreams, or how your products are just better than your competitors. With a looming recession in the US, you're going to want to look at your overhead costs and see where you can invest wisely in specific marketing strategies and maybe cut out the rest to keep your profit margin healthy. Next, you need to focus on adding in some new income streams. I know this one may sound a little bit weird at first, but stay with me. Anytime you can diversify your income and not have it all in just one basket, that's a good thing because it makes you more flexible and gives you a little extra security. Now, of course, for e-commerce, you could create new product lines, but honestly, that's still going to be physical products that are dependent on the changing cost of goods. So for e-commerce businesses, I recommend you start creating content that ties into your products. Okay, let me show you how. Let's say you're an online boutique selling women's apparel and accessories. You can create a blog on your Shopify store and create 1 blog post per week on fashion topics that relate to your products, like 10 must-have spring wardrobe accessories, 5 ways to style a winter scarf, or creating a capsule collection for each season. These are topics that are interesting to your ideal customer and maybe something that they're already searching for online. Then inside the blog post, you can link to the products that you sell on your site to try and increase your sales, and any products that you feature that you don't sell on your site, you can link to with an affiliate link so you still get a small commission when they purchase using your link. Blog posts like this can be great to share on social media, and as your traffic to these posts grow, well, so will your product sales and your affiliate revenue. These blog posts can also be turned into video content, which can be monetized through platforms like YouTube, which then creates another income stream for you as well. That leads me into my last tip, which is that you need to focus on building a connection with your ideal customer through content. We are all on our phones a lot consuming content on social media. So just like how I talked about building loyalty in tip number 1, you can do that in other ways other than order discounts. You can build brand loyalty because you can build a connection. This is a superpower that small businesses have over the big guys because we can share the behind the scenes videos and the process of creating a new product. In doing this, you can make the customer feel part of the process and feel a connection to your brand so that not only do you get them to purchase from you, but they also become a part of your community and a raving fan. Video can be so powerful for this, and I see so many small e-commerce brands really crushing it with video on YouTube and TikTok. I personally love YouTube because you can monetize your channel and have that be an additional income stream for you like we talked about earlier. Plus, the videos live forever and you can be found in the search engines as well. So going back to the blogging example from before, you could turn those blog post ideas into YouTube videos and embed them in the blog post, and of course, link to your products and affiliate links in the video description as well. Plus, you can create videos like a day in the life of a small business owner, package orders with me, or highlighting your process for creating a new product. I've seen so many Etsy sellers specifically using YouTube as a way to build their following, and it always increases their sales because you feel more human and real. And honestly, it's more exciting to buy from small businesses and to see their growth versus buying from the big chains. If I was gonna pick one word to describe e-commerce strategy for 2023, it would be, drumroll please, connection. If you want to see how to prep your Shopify store for the upcoming recession, then click on this video over here. And if you want to learn from my mistakes when starting my own Shopify store, then check out this video right here.